What's going on, you guys? It's me, Anthony. You know who I am. The one and only, the guy who's on YouTube. So today, we're doing an unboxing video of this guy from Batman vs. Superman. He's a Pop Heroes character from the 2016 Summer Convention exclusive Doomsday vinyl figure. So let's open him up. Put that up to the side. And here's what he looks like outside of the box. Because you're thinking inside the box and not outside of it. But in this case, he's outside of the box. So there's him. And now we got this one from the Pop movies, The Lord of the Rings, Balrog. He's a vinyl figure as well. We're gonna open him up as well. So, just like so. Put this up to the side over here, cause that's in the way, like always. Put this in this box, and this one over here, of course. Damn, these boxes are loud. So yeah, here is Balrog from the Lord of the Rings. He'll be helping the bad guys against the good guys, the survivors in the next Survivors film. And as for Doomsday over here, yeah, and he's looking at me. And so he'll be helping the good guys fight off against like the bad guys in the next Survivors film, which will be tomorrow on the EJ Films YouTube channel. And also don't forget to subscribe to his channel and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell. And also don't forget to subscribe to me as well, Anthony the Freeze on YouTube, and hit the subscribe button. And also, yeah, so this is Doomsday and Balrog, the newest Pop figures that we had to unbox for tonight. So as far as I'm concerned, the next time you see me, we'll do another unboxing video, but I'm not sure when, but I will let you know. And rock on and have a too sweet day. And also 420 was on Thursday, obviously. And also today was Earth Day, so we gotta take care of Mother Earth, because God forbid Mother Nature don't know what she wants to do with her life. Like, obviously. So I'll see you in the next video. See you later. This is Anthony signing off. Good night.